Welcome to the Hotel Mercure Toulouse Centre Saint-Georges. By the end of this video, we will let you know if staying here is worth the price.
What do you need for the luggage?
Yeah, it's still working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Todd with Eat Here, Stay Here, and we have another hotel room review for you today. We are at the Mercure Saint-Georges Hotel in downtown Toulouse. We are in what they call a privilege room. So this is not a standard room, this is a privilege room. Due to the fact we're staying here for 1 month with our 2 dogs, we needed some space, and we're going to show you around. So as we come through the front door, we have a kitchen, which is always nice to have when you're staying a long time. You got a microwave. This is also a convection oven, which we found out. We actually made some dinner in here the other night. Have a fridge, pretty decent sized fridge. You know, put some food in here, some snacks, some waters. And the water in France always leaks. These caps never stay on. That's why it's all wet. So that's what we have in here. And again, you got a sink and you got a little burner. So this is great for us because we could cook dinner, make lunch, make dog food for the dogs. And it actually comes with some silverware, knives, some cutlery, and it also has some pots and pans. This all comes with the room. We didn't bring any of this. Pots and pans in here. And this is great, dishwasher. Always wonderful to have a dishwasher so you could clean all the cups and mugs, glasses in here. So it comes, you know, fully stacked, plates and everything. So full kitchen is awesome.
Next week we'll be in Montpellier. Subscribe so you don't miss what hotel we pick.
You have an ironing board, an iron, you have some hangers. Good enough space, you know, put your clothes in here. It's always nice to have more storage. And this is the living room. So full living room, full kitchen. You have your table here, coffee machine, and they refill the pods every day. Maid service here is actually really good. They clean the room, they refill everything. And you know, you have your TV here and you got this couch, which is also a sofa bed. So this, if you have more people staying with you, this actually converts into a sofa bed. Dogs are very comfortable in here. Got your chair. Not much of a view. We're on the 4th floor. It's basically, it's a great location. This is downtown Toulouse. We're in the center, so there's actually a mall right underneath here. Plenty of stores. There's a convenience store across the street to get groceries, clothing stores, restaurants, cafes. We're in the middle of everything. These are apartment buildings back here, and there's a little park where those trees are. That's where we walk our dogs every morning. So it's great. Plenty of space in here for the dogs to hang out in. As you can see, Jem is comfortable over here on the carpet. And then we have our little bar area here. Got your safe. And this is another mini fridge. So we have the fridge in the kitchen, and in here we just keep kind of wine, soda, water. So again, extra space to put our goodies, snacks and everything. And the reason this is a privilege room, so a privilege room, obviously, it's a full apartment, is what a privilege room is, because a normal room would only be this, and this is the bedroom. So, big bed in here, standard bedroom, you know, nothing special about it, but again, it's a good size. Again, window facing the same way. We have all our luggage spread out here. There's a chair here with this piece of luggage is on. So you got your TV here. Little charging station. Room service phone. Remote. Side table. So, you know, standard hotel room. This is what you would get if you didn't book a privilege room. This door connects to the living room. And here's another closet. So, again, you have your closet inside and you have your closet in your bedroom. So, plenty of storage. It comes with the robes. We put all the robes and slippers in here that come with the hotel. And then here's your bathroom. So nothing huge in here. This is a little awkward. There's a step up to the shower, so you got to be careful. This is not the biggest shower. So again, I'm 6 feet, so I could hit the ceiling and the walls pretty easily, but I could fit under the rainfall shower head. And the hair dryer in here, and the toilet's behind here. More towels and tissues. So overall, the room is obviously huge. I mean, we love it because, again, we're staying here a long time. It's basically, it's an apartment. It's not a hotel room. It's a little older, I will say that, but they keep it very nice. The lobby is great. There's a pool on the first floor, which we'll show you a video of later. There's a pool bar area on the first floor, and there's a gym on the 7th floor. So the fact that we're staying here for a month, we have a gym, we have room service, we have maid service, we have an apartment, we have everything we need, and everything is walkable. We haven't driven once since we've been here. So great location, great price. Economically, this is a great deal. Pretty safe area. Everyone's been friendly so far, and the dogs have been doing good. So we're at the Mercure Saint-Georges Apart Hotel. It's a part of the Accor properties, and I would say, it's a great stay so far.
We'd love to get your comments below. Would you stay here or would you skip this hotel? Okay, so we're here at the gym at the Mercure Toulouse. It's on the 7th floor, and it's a smaller gym. As you walk in here, you can see it's not a big space. So you do have your towels here, TV, and not a lot of machines, but they did manage to squeeze as much as they could in here. You have your step machine here, your ab machine, you have your bench, and then they have, a combination kind of press weight bar here, and you also have your pull down, because if you go behind here, you can see the weights are there. So multi-purpose machine here. They have free weights. They only go up to 10 kilograms, so not a lot of weight, but they do have free weights. And if you turn around here, there's one treadmill, one stationary bike, and one row machine. And you're on the 7th floor, so you're looking at rooftops. Not an amazing view, but this is Toulouse. So overall, it's a small gym, but they did manage to put enough workout material in here for you to get a decent workout during the day. And finally, you have your water machine, which is always nice. One thing is, this gym does have hours. It opens at 8 a.m. So I tried to come here like 7:30 and it was closed. They are punctual, so 8 a.m. only is the first time you could work out.